up lady right here, the bustier.
Hello. Birthday, right? It's your birthday. What's your name? Can I ask your name? Your name is Katie? And again, I know you never asked a woman her age, so how much do you weigh?
Seriously, how much?
I think that Katie, on a special birthday night like tonight, what about a song? What do you think, Oklahoma City, on the birthday song? All right, Katie, this is for you. Katie, it's your birthday, it's your birthday, happy birthday, Katie.
Hey, it's your day.
It's your special day, Katie. I hope it's a good one. I hope it's the best. But I have one request, Katie.
Show me your
Show us your tits.